This case study, we worked with our customer experience team within Telekom Malaysia. And this team looks after the call center agents. We have more than 800 call center agents taking calls whenever customers complain or have issues with their service. So the two main challenges that we were trying to address was average call handling time. And this is a very important element for a call center because the customers would like to be served quickly. They wouldn't want to wait to get a response from the call center agents. And so this is a measure that is measured very seriously in the call center operations. And the second thing is accuracy of the troubleshooting. So when you call a call center agent, you naturally want to know what's going on with your line and when it's going to get fixed. Now, and this is, in a big telco like Telekom Malaysia, we have many legacy systems. And the challenge for a call center agent is that they would need to open, in our case, almost 8 windows or systems to understand what's going on with your network, with your service line, to understand what call plans you're on, was there a billing issue? So they needed to open all these windows, and that takes time. We managed to solve 4 main issues or challenges that the customer was having in the contact center. Number 1 was we managed to reduce the call handling time. Now, on average, and I'm using a 2018 number, we were doing 516 seconds per call on average. And out of this 516 seconds, about 240 seconds was for the call center agent to open up the windows and kind of process all the information that's coming through to understand what really is the problem. Is it an unpaid bill issue, or is it a line that's been disconnected because there's some trenching going on and there's some cable cuts along the way. So with our system ideas, we managed to reduce from 240 seconds, the call handling time, to 38 seconds. And that was a big a relief for a lot of our call center agents and of course to our customers, to be able to diagnose quickly and accurately. So the second benefit that we managed to achieve is to improve the accuracy of the diagnosis. Up to 98%, and it wasn't. Of course, it improved through time because we were building an AI machine learning algorithm. So we needed to understand, we needed to learn on how to read all these signs and provide the best and most accurate diagnostics. The third benefit that we got out of it was sort of like an oh by the way thing, was because of the accuracy that we got in terms of diagnostics, we managed to improve our the cost of managing operations. In the past, due to wrong diagnostics, we would be sending wrong truck rolls. This is a telco terminology where you have different teams with different expertise that you send to the ground to solve a problem. So if you diagnose wrongly that it's supposed to be a guy that manages your equipment in the home, when actually the fault was a line or a cable outside your home, then we call it, double truck roll. That means you needed to send 2 teams, you waste a lot of time and a lot of money. And of course, with all these in place, we managed to improve our restoration time. And this is another measure that we do within the telco space. How fast do we restore your service? And a 24-hour window is an ideal case. So we managed to, with Ideas Plus and the machine learning algorithm, we managed to bring all these 4 benefits to our customers. So our biggest competitor when we were building this algorithm was the best contact center agent. Now, he was our benchmark in terms of how fast can you actually read everything that's on your screen and kind of process it. A lot of it boils down to the experience of the call center agent. And so that became our gold standard. How fast can a human do it? And we needed to get our machine and the algorithm to do it faster and more accurately. And we're very fortunate that we managed to get both. Today we were doing more than 90% of our calls are taken or resolved in less than 120 seconds. About 60% of them is below 40 seconds, and only about 2% require a longer than 120 seconds. So all in all, we believe some of these tools that we have implemented will improve the customer experience for Telekom Malaysia. For data analytics and AI models, we leverage heavily on the white papers and the technical papers that are shared on the websites of TM Forum. And that helped us a lot in terms of building the right algorithm, understanding how data analytics and digital helps also with transforming processes and the organization. We really benefited from this because we also managed to change some of the processes